guys. Okay, so I have to apologize to Mr. Tibbles because yesterday in my video I called him Mr. Dibbles and he wasn't very happy with me. That's all right. We made up. We're okay now. All right, so today we're going to focus on number sense. And I know you guys don't get your paper and pencil out now. Don't work this out because I want you to only use mental math today. All right, so I'm going to put an equation on the board. All right, and I want you to look at this equation, and I want you to tell me if it's true or false, but I don't want you to compute, which means I don't want you to get a pencil and paper and add it up. I really want you to look at the relationship between the numbers. So I'm going to let you look at it for just a second, because I want you to see if both sides are the same without adding it up in your head. What? Okay, he doesn't think you could do it. I think you can. I've got complete confidence. All right. I hope everyone in virtual land said it's true, because it is. So on both sides, if I decompose all these numbers, so this would be 50 plus 4, and this one would be 30 plus 2, and on this side, 30 plus 4 plus 50 plus 2. On both sides, my board's about to fall. On both sides, I've got 80 tens plus 6 ones. I've got 80 tens plus 6 ones. All right, that one was true. Let's try another one. It's all about relationship and seeing the connections. Here's another one. 31 plus 29 equals 30 plus 30. All right, no paper and pencil. All right, Mr. Tibbles, he just wants to look at it real quick. He's thinking. Mental math. All right, I have a feeling that most of you could see that this was true. Because what I did was I took this 1 and I added it to the 9, which made this 30 and this 30. All right, I have a feeling that you knew that both sides was 60. Good job, guys. All right, one more thing for today. All right, I'm going to give you a number, and I want you to decompose it any way you can. So 435. All right, you can just do this mental math. You can just be looking at your parents right now, or your siblings, your little baby brother and sister, whomever, and tell them all the ways to make 435. Let me give you a second. Oh, he's telling me his answer. He's really good at decomposing. All right, so if we had our manipulatives here, I have a feeling that if you were going to use our base 10 blocks, that you might give me 4 hundreds, 3 tens, 5 ones. That's one way. And if I wrote it out, it would be 400 plus 30 plus 5. I wonder if there's another way to write that. Another way to notate that. That's an academic term. I love that. How else could we write 400? Could we write it as 4 times 100? Yes, we can. Plus, how many tens are there? 3 times 10 plus, we could do 5 times 1. 5 groups of 1. 5 groups of 1. That's another way to write it down. All right, think if there's any more ways. There's lots and lots of ways. Lots of ways. What if I grouped it this way? 2 groups of 200. Could I do that? Sure. Plus 3 groups of 10, plus 5 groups of 1. Lots of ways to notate 435. All right, one more thing before I say goodbye today. All right, yesterday we added fractions. Today I want to multiply. Here we go. Really quickly, I'm going to multiply my whole numbers. 4 times 5. Plus 4 groups of 3/4. All right, 4 times 5 is 20. Now, I'm going to put a 1 there. So 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 4 is 4. And then I'm going to go down here. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So my number is 23. All right, guys, here's what we're going to do. That's the end of my math lesson today. Mr. Tibbles and I have had a great time just showing you a little bit of number sense. But I'm going to send you an invite for a Zoom meeting tonight. So I'm going to invite all of you guys to join me on Zoom where we can talk and we can see each other. I thought we might have a good time, like having show and tell or just talking about how you're feeling. All right, guys. Until next time, see you later from me and Mr. Tibbles.